I just got my PayPal account suspended. Let me explain. So, yeah, I woke up with messages, frantic messages from PayPal today saying we need to verify your identity. Now, just to give context, I sell on eBay, Etsy, Amazon, all those sort of platforms, and through that, I pay for a lot of the postage with PayPal. Obviously, eBay isn't linked to the PayPal in the same way it used to be. So, I have a PayPal for my business, which I've had for over 20 years. And in 2021, on the advisement of my accountant, I set up a personal PayPal to, pay for things like if you want to buy clothes or something, you want to pay via PayPal. So I set that up. Nothing shady, different bank account, different email address, all fine. And then for whatever reason, I think it's the selling loads of Warhammer paints, which people were paying me goods and services through PayPal, through my business, all legit, all fine. If you want to see that video, it'll be linked below. I don't know if that's triggered it, but all of a sudden, for my personal PayPal, I had to verify it. So I had to take multiple photos of my face, bloody digital ID, which I'm so against anyway, but that's another matter. So that's fine. I had to do that. Then I had to upload my driving license, which, is fine. And then a bank statement. That's fine, okay. And then they were asking me about details of my business on my personal account. I was like, well, how is that relevant? So I'm still going through the process of verification, but at this time, I can't pay for stuff with my PayPal on my business. So I can't pay for postage, all that. Luckily, I can use a card to do it, I believe, but it's causing such stress because I'm stuck in this limbo land of verification, which coming up to a weekend could take multiple days. So has anyone else had this? Is this something they're doing at the moment? I've barely used my personal PayPal because I haven't really been buying much. I try not to overspend on personal items because I've got enough clothes. I buy, stuff secondhand where I can. So I use it very rarely. I thought I'd done it all above board and everything. So weird, but it has me worried, definitely. Silly situations like this can cause bans for no apparent reason. So yeah, I'd be interested to know. Does anybody else have this issue? But yeah, I'm just going to continue as I was. And when I know the outcome of this, I will let you know. But it's just scary how all of a sudden you can, you know, be have it restricted like that through no fault of my own. Anyway, that's the quick video for today. Best just get on with listing as I can, and if you're interested in how to sell on eBay, Amazon, and all that sort of good stuff, smash the subscribe button and hit the like button and hype and all that good stuff because that really helps me out. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.